Good morning, crafters. Welcome back to another episode of My Crafty Garage with me, Tanya. In this episode, we're going to be upscaling a swing set and baby swing for a beautiful garden piece. Now, I was having some technical difficulties with my camera equipment, so I hope you enjoy what I was able to save for you guys in this video. So enjoy, and here we go. So here is the end result. I hope you guys love it. I am still working on this corner of my yard and hope to have more videos for you guys with more detail. But until then, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a comment below and don't forget to hit that subscribe button on the way out.